Hello, my name is Harrison Rice, aka Whiterice. I'm going to film a bike slash helmet check. It is a Duro BMX helmet, the GoPro down from the top, LZ BMX Frost sticker, Narbear sticker, GoPro.
Oh crap!
I just fell down the half pipe. LZ BMX sticker, militant sticker, right airfield sticker, Neff sticker, Spitfire, Santa Cruz, Send It, and Whiterice, of course. Get this bullshit out of here. I have a premium Broadway frame, kind of covered the Broadway with stickers. Premium standard saddle, that's what they call it. Premium cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, premium forks, premium bars.
Whoa.
Premium sub V10 stem front load. ODI super soft grips with ODI bar ends. CK 2.4 tire in the front. CK 2.2 tire in the back. Red ball in the back.
What kind?
I have stolen barrel 5 solid chromoly pegs. Nation Defiant market rims with a chrome red front hub with built-in hub guards. I have a full link chain, it's KMC, and red premium sprocket, and you gotta always rep for yourself, so you gotta get the Whiterice stickers going. Thanks for watching.
Now throw your bike.
You want to drop in.
Bye bye, Mr. Bike.